Hey guys, it's John coming to you with a quick minute on June the 3rd, 2022. I hope that you've had a great week. I was reading in Luke 7, a passage that I've read many times over and over again, but this morning God highlighted this passage in a way that I've never seen before. And I just want to share it with you. Basically what's going on is he's having dinner. Jesus is having dinner in this person's home. He happens to be a person of wealth, and this woman comes in and anoints him with expensive perfume. And then he goes on and makes a connection. He says this, do you know how we know this woman is forgiven a lot because she loves a lot. She sacrifices a lot. And then he goes on to say this, those who have been forgiven little loves little. And it hit me. Many times I have placed other people in that. Well, they have done this or done that. Their testimony is, it's one of those testimonies that have a lot of pain and whatever. And they've been forgiven a lot. But here's what God showed me this morning. John, you've been forgiven a lot. How is your love based on how much you've been forgiven? Maybe the reason we don't love as well as we should sometimes is we have forgotten how much love it took in action to forgive us. Guys, we have been forgiven so much, reconnected to God through Jesus Christ and his death, burial, and resurrection. And our love should show this. I hope that you have a great weekend. Remember, may our love be revealed and empowered through the forgiveness that we have received. Not only love that way, but also forgive that way. Have a great weekend. God bless you. Bye-bye.